Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to write content widget container column for specific and multiple cities in Elementor WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are going to write content for cities. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new plugin. So we are going to install plugin and then in search plugin write dynamic visibility for Elementor. So this is plugin dynamic visibility for Elementor we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it. And after activation we are going to install one more plugin. So write functionality for cities. Work with one more plugin. So total 2 plugin. So first install this plugin and then in search plugin write a geolocation IP detection plugin. So this is plugin geolocation IP detection plugin we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it. So you will install 2 plugin and after that go to Elementor page and refresh the page and then we are going to write container widget column or container for specific or multiple countries. Now you see widget, so click on it. So this is our adding widget and then you see visibility option. Now you see edit container, so click on it. Again you see visibility and then you see dynamic visibility, enable this option and then you see display mode. Now you see show height, now select height. So we are going to hide content for multiple or specific cities and then you see user trigger. Now remove this. Now select geotargeting, now you see and then you see geotargeting, expand it. Now you see city option. So you can add city name separated by comma. So you can add one city or multiple city. So we are going to add our city. Our location is Islamabad. So we are going to add it and then click on update. Now update done, go to Elementor page and refresh the page. Now you see content is hide for Islamabad location. So you can add multiple cities like New York. So you can add multiple cities according to requirement. You can add United States cities, UK cities according to requirement. So it's up to you. So in this way you can hide content for specific cities. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.